Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix the technical difficulties on your Shazam app on your iPhone. So if your Shazam app is not working, what you need to do, just uninstall your app from here, remove app, and what you need to do is just go to your app store. After going to the app store, find Shazam app and reinstall your app. By doing this, there is 90% chance your app got fixed and it will work again just like normal. And if the error still persists, what you need to do here, just press the volume up, volume down, and hold the power button here. What I'm doing here, just volume up, volume down, and holding the power button. It will automatically keep holding the power button. It will automatically restart the phone until the Apple logos will come up, and it will automatically resolve the technical difficulties on your Shazam app, and it will work perfectly fine like this. So that's how you can actually fix your app, and it will work or run smoothly on your phone to find the songs of any you want to. So it will take a while to get rebooted, and everything will be working smooth again just like this. You need to turn on your phone, and as we have re-downloaded the app, and after pushing out, it is asking for a little so that's how it is working again. Okay, so that's how you can actually fix your Shazam app by restarting your phone and re-downloading the app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.